Hey, it is 2020, well, almost 2020 for some parts of the world, so hopefully you have a really great new year. And what better way to start the new year than with a new pair of Ultra Boost 20s, which I've been dying to get my hands on. And in my opinion, these Chinese New Year, as I said about the other ones, or it depends which one I drop first, the video, these are absolute bangers. They are an awesome colorway and my favorite Ultra Boost 20 to come out yet, so keep watching and check these bad boys out. But before we get to that, sub up guys, hit that subscribe button. We're on that road to 1k. That is the goal for this year. We're hopefully hitting that before April this year, and then we can get that goal of monetization. So make sure you hit that like button and comment down below. Do you like this new Ultra Boost 20 or don't you? Really love to hear your guys' opinions. There's no right or wrong. Are you still feeling the Ultra Boost? Because I'm still a massive Ultra Boost fan myself. So let's get into this review. So look, it's all about the fine details with this. Beautiful sleeve covering the box with your golden design with koi fish and flowers of various kinds. Is a beautiful Chinese illustration, so that is a nice touch. And it is a red and white Adidas box, which is really nice. Here is our box label. Bam, there it is. Look at that beautiful Ultra Boost 20. Does it mention anything about being part of the Chinese New Year pack? But hey, is what it is. And of course, we have the slide out front and the Ultra Boost Adidas branding for the paper. Let's get these bad boys out. Beautiful Ultra Boost. And as I said, this is my favorite colorway I've seen of the Ultra Boost 20 to date. And what better way to kick off the new year than an Ultra Boost 20 for 2020, which is really nice. Alright, the Ultra Boost 20, let's start with this outsole, and it's that beautiful stretch web continental rubber that we all know and love, highlighted torsion bar. Of course, it is the same pattern that we see on the Ultra Boost 19, and yeah, it's just a beautiful thing. Ultra Boost doing their thing. Now we have the same Boost midsole as the Ultra Boost 19, so of course you've got that 20% extra boost, and who doesn't love extra boost? And it feels really comfy underfoot. And this beautiful, absolute poppin' koi fish design on the Boost midsole that is really awesome, and that's what first drew me to this shoe. And this is the best looking colorway I've seen of the Ultra Boost 20 so far. What's your favorite colorway? Drop it down in the comments below and let me know. Are you copping the Ultra Boost 20? Because I'm loving the Ultra Boost 20, but I'm a massive Ultra Boost fan, so yeah, hey, go figure. We of course get extra laces, and we love extra laces. It's got a koi fish design on it, which maybe you can make out in the camera. It's lots of little koi fish, and of course the black. And I love the little touches as a sneakerhead. We have the gold metal aglets instead of plastic, which also repeated there on the white laces. Hey, which laces do you guys reckon I should put in? I'm leaning towards the koi fish. I reckon they'd look dope. But let me know what laces you'd rock, koi fish, black or white. Really love to hear you guys' opinion. Of course, we have that new updated heel cage, which offers more stability. I don't think you'd call it a cup now, I don't know, you guys tell me. And clear and black, which really suits the overall aesthetic of the shoe, and I really like it. And I'm loving this new updated shape of the heel cage. Oh, sorry, not heel cage, the lace cage. So I really like that new detail. And the thing that I didn't like about the Ultra Boost 19, they have fixed, so good on you Adidas for that. And of course it has the TFP running through it, which is tailored fiber placement, which is also meant to give added structure and support. I don't know, I don't really feel it, just feels like a lace cage, but that goes through there and makes a really nice design aesthetically. Highlights our 3 stripe branding, which is really nice. Of course, on the toe box there, we have the TFP tailored fiber placement, which does add extra structure and support and makes it a bit more durable around the toe box area, which I really like, and I think that looks, yeah, it looks really nice. So really liking that detail. Now I'm going to go into the other shoe here, which I've taken the laces out so you can see here. Look at that beautiful design on the prime knit. There's koi fish, flowers if you look closely, in different shades of grey, and subtly gives it a nice colour when you pull the shoe back, but when you look closely you see that design overall, and this is a really nicely subtly done shoe. Well, it's subtle and it's got pop at the same time. It's just really nicely executed. And of course with embroidered heron there. The only con I have with the shoe, quality wise and everything wise, is the heron's head is hiding behind the lace cage. Why? I don't know, you'd have to ask Adidas that. It still looks really dope, but yeah, it's hiding behind the lace cage. Maybe there's some reason for it, I don't know. Maybe some sort of symbology in Chinese, I've got no idea. We have a golden tiger silhouette on the tongue tab, which is really nice. And the heron is repeated on the tongue tab there in a golden silhouette. Hey, if you guys know the symbology of the heron or the tiger in Chinese mythology or Chinese New Year, hey, drop it down in the comments below. Really would like to know a bit more knowledge on it. Don't know what the symbology is, I'm not Chinese, but it'd be really nice to learn that. So yeah, drop it in the comments below if you guys know. One of the other updates, or well, it's kind of like a throwback to the ULTRABOOST 4.0s, we now have neoprene padded collar, which I really like, instead of just plain prime knit, which is on the ULTRABOOST 19. So really liking that as well, because yeah, the 4.0 is one of my favourite silhouettes, that and the 1.0, but I'd say I'd tip slightly towards the 4.0. Hey, what's your guys' favourites? Drop it in the comment. Really love these inner soles with these watercoloured pictures of the heron there. I mean, you're not going to see it, but it's really nice touch. And sneakerheads, we love those finer details. It's not the greatest inner sole, but hey, it's boost, 20% more boost, so you don't really need an inner sole that much. You could wear them without the inner soles. But now for sizing. When I went to first get these, I tried to get them from the shop. I had to virtually, they were sold out, so I had to get them from online. Went to get a size 12. I did try on a size 11.5, and I could fit them. Though I could fit them, they were just really tight and snug. So I went true to size. I suggest you guys go true to size, but you probably could even go up half a size, because that prime knit does really hug your foot. I don't know, you decide for yourselves. My advice to anybody buying these straight off this video would be stick true to size, because it's in the middle, but some people can go down half a size, some people can go up half a size. So I've got to say, for my advice, true to size. ULTRABOOST shoes ended on a bang for 2019, and it'll be really exciting to see what 2020 brings.